Hey, I just thought it would be cool to do a quick unboxing from ICW radiators. Just had these straightened up. They were pretty bad. They were pretty kinked up. I should have took some before pictures, but I failed to. So here, let's see if I can set this up on something. That vise right there. And cut this open and see how they turned out. So they got that on it. And then, let's see. That is amazing. They are perfectly square, clean. Got that line perfect. He added these in there. He said the YZs were known to be need just a little bit of help. So that's one side. Man, that is straight and square as it gets. Okay. Check the other side right fast. Let's see. Go again. Let's see. Yep. Man, that is sturdy. That's awesome. And again, I don't know how he does that. I mean, that is amazing. Amazing. Straight, square, good as new. Anyway, that guy's pretty good at what he does. Have a good evening. Can't wait to get this thing done.